Hey yo, what's good traders? It's your boy Lord Bay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time on my channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that post notification bell so that you get notified next time I drop. Guys, as you can see, the boot just closed and I'm preparing to go on a little retreat, just to clear my head. I know the year just started and not a lot of stuff has happened, but hey guys, whenever you get a chance to clear your head, clear your head. So guys, like you saw on the title, this is just going to be a day in the life, a day in the life of a young South African trader, which is me. As you can see, guys, the car is dirty, very, very dirty, but it is what it is. I'm going to the bushes. So I'm going on a little vacation in South Africa, in Maputo, right? Going on a little vacation. It's in the bushes. As you guys know, I love the bushes, man. I love their bushes. So yeah, when I get there, I'll just show you guys how the house looks. We booked the whole house, guys. The whole house. I think Drake has once said, private villas, I don't go near a resort. So yeah, type sheet. So yeah, guys, we're going on a little retreat just to relax. When I get there, I will show you how the house looks. I will show you the environment and all the activities that I will be doing, man. So yes sir. Oh, and guys, within this video, I mean, I will be showing you a couple of trades that I took in the past 2 weeks. There's 2 trades that I took last week, and then there's 2 that I took this week. I obviously did send it in my Signal group. If you do want to join, guys, please click on the link in the description. There is a link there. You can join the free group, and then if you want to join the VIP group, you can just contact me within that free group, right? Then we'll talk from there. If you need a reliable broker that I've been using for the longest of time, you can also click the link, is also in the description, guys. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me take you with me. Yes sir. So guys, I'm coming. So guys, we've literally been driving for like 4 hours. We got 2 more hours to go till we arrive at the place, and yeah, man, I shall update you guys when we get there. Yes sir. What's good, guys? So I literally woke up right now and I couldn't give you guys a tour because we got here really, really late. I was just tired, So yeah, I'll give you a tour today, and we'll do the market analysis today, and yeah, I'll just try my best to record everything we do, So yeah, yes sir. So guys, we're just here looking for some drinks, some meat. The place is pretty dope, eh? Hola. It's pretty dope. Looks very farmy, looks very farmy. So guys, this is what we got: firewood, some alcohol, charcoal, and these are pebbles, guys. Apparently you sprinkle these up, you just sprinkle these around your place, and apparently these wild animals dig this. So it's just for ambience, just to make sure that the wild animals come to your place, you know. Sprinkle these around and you will be fine. Yes, sir. So guys, there's something I want to talk about real quick, right? And this thing is just about the importance of taking time off, you know. Guys, we traders. I believe everybody on my community is a trader, and you guys know that we are faced with so much pressure, so much pressure. I mean, I think pressure is the right word to use, because you guys know that the markets can be very, very stressful, right? And it's just so important to take time off, man. Just take time off the market. Like, whether you're in a winning streak, whether in a losing streak, just take time off whenever you can, right? It's very, very healthy for you guys. Just take time off, go on a vacation, or even if you don't go on a vacation, but take time off the charts. Just leave the charts alone. Just do something. Even if you leave the charts alone for like a full week, as long as you just take time off the charts. You understand? So it's very, very important, guys. I can actually see vouchers from where I am right now. Let me just show you. Can you guys see that? Those are actually vouchers right there. There's probably a kill. It's probably a kill somewhere very close. So yeah, just take time off, guys. Just take time off. It's very, very healthy for you. Because, guys, especially for losing streaks, guys, I'm gonna talk about losing streaks a lot, because I just come from a very bad one. I've been in a losing streak since December, and overall I'm a profitable trader, right? But whether you are a profitable trader or not, you are gonna get losing streaks, right? So I just came out of it, and I think I only came out of it officially like 2 weeks ago, right? That's when I started winning again, you know. And what I've learned from this whole experience is like the importance of taking time off, you know. The importance of taking time off, because now I'm more than ready to go back to the market. I'm more than ready to go back to the market and actually kill it, you know. I've been killing it for the past 2 weeks, like I said, but now I'm just more amped. And I think a big part of me feeling this way is because I've taken time out. So it's very, very important, guys. Yes, sir. So guys, here's the house tour. Please don't worry about the mess. I'm recording this after we checked in, so we've obviously already used the facilities. So this is the first bedroom. Everything has a bathroom inside. Guys, don't forget we're in the jungle, so everything is gonna look a bit safari-ish, you know. Then this is the kitchen. Like I said, we had already used everything, so it is a bit messy. And guys, here's the patio. Here's the patio. We have a little bright area going on there, and that's my favorite part over there. We just covered up the pool because we're not using it. And then yeah, man, here's the front side. As you can see, we have a little bit of some visitors here. So yeah, it's been a lovely experience. We did get some zebras that visited us. Zebras, impalas, warthogs, you name it. And guys, just look at this view, man. Just pure oxygen, pure oxygen. Lovely. And if you continue going up the stairs, you can see that we have an upstairs area. Just lovely, guys. Just nature. I love nature, guys. Some little swing stuff there. Just look at this thing, guys. Everything here is so big. The insects here are humongous. Moths, humongous. Try to unlock here. There we go. As you can see, guys, we have an indoor gym. Indoor gym, you guys know, well, probably don't know, but I love working out. Got a little artsy things here. And then, like I said, guys, we had already used the facilities. Don't mind the bed, it's messy already. But yeah, it's another bathroom. Shower's looking very nice. Got the toilet. Yes, sir.